You search how to buy shares of Rapid Micro Biosystems Inc. Rapid Micro Biosystems develops automated microbiology and lab equipment. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RPID. Educational disclaimer. This is informational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RPID. Locate the listing that matches Rapid Micro Biosystems Inc. and select it to open the asset page. On the stock page, you'll see a short company description and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure it is the correct asset. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order is filled, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description below.